Hey guys, katatapos ko lang mag-install ng i-vlog natin ngayon. So today, mag-i-install tayo ng cabin filter for 2004 to 2013 model ng Isuzu D-Max. That's a Philippine release, no? Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, most vehicle walang kasamang cabin filter. So, kailangan natin mag-outsource or sometimes available sa kasa yan. But most of the time, pag medyo luma na yung sasakyan, mahirap na maghanap. So, or in this pandemic era, no, it's better to be safe, no, than sorry. So, before that, makita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa. Mag-subscribe muna tayo. Okay? And intro. This is a 2004 to 2013 Philippine release ng D-Max, no? Cabin filter, yes. To be exact. So manipis lang siya, hindi katulad dun sa bagong model na medyo makapal. So this one is available sa Pinoy Customs. We only have 4 on hand kasi ginamit ko na yung isa. So then this kit comes with a cover. So kapag tinanggal nyo yung in-slice natin yung panel ninyo doon sa evaporator, mapapalitan natin ito. So don't worry guys, hindi sisingaw yan kasi it comes with a foam. So this strip actually is pambalot dito yan sa side. Ayan, dyan, para seal yung cover, hindi sisingaw. Kasi I tested it nung tinanggal ko yung pinaka-panel niya, and then binuksan ko yung blower, ang lakas nung labas. So may pressure siya. Kaya it's best ilagay natin yun, no? So ito. First, ang gagawin lang naman natin is of course squeeze yung filter box or yung glove compartment, squeeze the glove compartment para mababa niya yan. And then again, access natin yung screw, 10mm screw na apat yan. And once it's down, may full access ka na dun sa evaporator mo kung saan natin puputulin. So, check this out. Okay. Now, may access na tayo dito. Ito ang kailangan natin i-cut. This part. We'll be using a regular cutter. There. Okay guys, nakat na natin yung dalawang manipis na panel, no? Matitira dyan sa gitna is this one. Nakaganyan yan. Kakat nyo rin to. So after nyo makat to, silipin nyo ng flashlight sa loob. Kung kailangan i-vacuum at may dumi, vacuumin nyo na rin. Okay, here's the airflow. Airflow is toward that way. Okay, so pag ganito ang kabit. Yan. Okay. Install it like this. Careful lang. Okay. Now that's in place na. Now yung cover natin, mayroon kasamang itong cover natin may kasamang ganito. Install natin yan. Papakita ko kung paano ko ikinabit para mas sealed yung area, yung sides, yung this part, yung side, no? So I'll be back. Alright, so ito na yung pinaka sticker foam nya nakasama sa kit, no? Binalot ko dito sa sides dito para magkaroon siya ng seal. Ayan, so naikabit na natin yung filter. Let's finish up with the cover. Snug fit. There, meron siyang seal, yung pinaka foam. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. There are only 4 left on hand nito, no? Just PM lang kayo sa Pinoy Customs, description nasa baba, and have a great weekend. Bye.